This is my first Jack Wolfskin bag. It's a 30-liter convertible duffel with some pretty awesome hardware. This is the Expedition Trunk 30. If you're familiar with bags like the Patagonia Black Hole or the North Face Base Camp, this bag is going to look very familiar. This is a solid pack. It has great materials, great hardware. It's lightweight and a large main compartment, and it can be carried using the backpack shoulder straps. Jack Wolfskin makes 5 versions of this bag. This is the smallest at 30 liters, but it also comes in a 40-liter version, which will also work as a carry-on. With the dimensions of about 19 by 12 by 10, this is a little long and wide to fit as a personal size item. And then to show you, I have this box. It's 18 by 14 by 8, common size on many US budget airlines. And this bag, I can get it to almost fit in here really tight, and you really have to jam it in. All the packs in the Expedition line are made with the same materials. This bottom is a 1680 denier abrasion resistant nylon, and it's lined on the inside with this water resistant polyurethane fabric. The sides and the top are also this same waterproof polyurethane. Basically, it feels like a thick rubber coated nylon. But this bag isn't waterproof because it doesn't have waterproof zippers or sealed seams, but it has this rubber coated nylon top weather flap over the main zipper, making this a very durable and extremely water resistant pack. And worth mentioning are these giant yellow Jack Wolfskin logos on the front and the sides of the bag. It's not very subtle. I think it detracts from the aesthetic of the pack. This bag also comes in a grayscale camo, but I don't think those colors are much better. These zippers are about the best you can buy. A huge number 10 YKK locking zipper on the main compartment, number 8 water resistant over here on the pocket, and interior number 5s. These zipper pulls are a nice touch. It's a copper colored aluminum sheath with this easy to use T-shaped nylon pull. Like most simple travel duffels, the Expedition 30 doesn't have a ton of bells and whistles. On the exterior, there are 3 types of handles. There's some fabric loops around here and 1 zippered pocket. However, there's no external water bottle pocket, there's no laptop compartment or compression straps. This top pocket here with the water resistant zipper takes up most of the space of the top lid, but it's a little thin and doesn't have its own volume. These 2 side carry handles, they're thick, padded, but probably not the main way you'll carry the bag, which is either gonna be with these top carry handles or the backpack straps. The handles are your standard thick, sturdy nylon strap that come together with a padded Velcro handle. Under the handles are the backpack straps, which are actually pretty decent for a small 30-liter duffel. They're well padded, they're soft and breathable, they have a decent curve to them, and they're adjustable on the top and the bottom. However, I think this bag does fall into the category of duffel first and backpack carry second because there's a few weird quirks with the carry system. I can't really fault them for not having any back padding here. It's pretty standard on this style of convertible duffel. These handles though don't stow away, so they just kind of flop over here on the side when you're wearing it as a backpack. And they have a tendency to get caught on your arm like this when you're trying to put on the shoulder straps. If you don't want them flopping around, there's a couple options. You could clip them over here in the side with a little carabiner, or you could bring them around the back and connect them together with a little strap. The straps on the end of the shoulder straps are also ridiculously long. It's kind of awkward having all this stuff dangling over here on the side of the pack. You could cut these down to be the length you need, but I suspect they made them ridiculously long so you could extend them out and carry this like a shoulder strap, which you can do with either 1 strap or 2. This isn't the most comfortable way to carry the bag, but it works. And other than all the things dangling over here on the side, this bag is actually decently comfortable to carry around. The interior of the Expedition duffel is just a big duffel bag. One thing I like about this is because the fabric is so sturdy, this thing can stand up on its own even when it's empty, which makes it really easy to pack. However, another quirk of the backpack straps is because these aren't removable, they kind of get in the way when you need to get into the main compartment. Inside the duffel, there's 2 pockets. There's one on the lid here Basically a mirror image of the one on the outside, about the full length of the lid, but it's also thin. And then on the other side, there's this long zippered pocket, runs the entire length of the duffel. Great for small items, but it is also thin. The Expedition 30 is fairly straightforward to pack, but I have a pile of travel gear here, which I'll pack in here to show you how much you can fit in the bag. Again, this is the smallest 30-liter version, a little on the small side, but it's great for weekend trips. I have most of my clothes in 2 packing cubes, a medium and a small compression cube. Those fit down in the bottom nicely. And so you can see from the side, I have this cube in lengthways. There's about 3 or 4 inches of room on the side, which is perfect for my toiletry kit. Also enough room over here on the side, travel backpack, and a travel towel. I have a pair of running shoes in a 12-liter dry bag, a puffy jacket, and a 1-liter water bottle. These things are gonna sit on top of my clothes and pretty much take up most of the extra room in the pack. There's a little bit more room over here in the side. Got a little flashlight and a reusable Ziploc bag. And there's enough room in all these pockets for small items and electronics, but none of these pockets are padded, so this could be a good bag to use a tech cube in. That's everything I had there packed into the Expedition 30. Not a lot of heavy things in here. It's about 14 pounds or 6.3 kilograms. In summary, the Expedition 30 is a solid little travel duffel made with great materials and hardware. It's easy to pack, it's sturdy, and highly water resistant. However, like a lot of these convertible duffels, they designed it as a duffel first and a backpack second. While the shoulder straps are decently padded and comfortable, the design can be awkward. There's no back padding, the side handles flop around and get in the way, and you need to remove the shoulder straps when you're opening the main compartment. I hope you enjoyed this review on the Jack Wolfskin Expedition Trunk 30. Hit me up in the comments if you have any questions. And again, thanks for watching.